Ingat remember the one in red is ear. Okay, can you read the sentence?
A trip, a trip to
A trip,
Australia. A trip to Australia.
Australia. Okay.
Australia.
A trip.
Australia.
Very good. A trip to
Aus-
Australia. Two boxes for you. Can you read this one?
Here is a photo of
Nolia.
Nolia, Nolia with her their friend Lydia.
Lydia, very good.
Lydia.
Here, very good. Here is a photo of Nolia with her dear friend Lydia. Okay, another two boxes for you. Can you read this one?
Last year,
Mm-hmm.
Nol, apa,
Mm-hmm. Betul.
Nolia went to vice to
Visit.
vice to visit Lydia in Australia.
Very good. Last year, Nolia went to visit Lydia in Australia. Okay, one box for you for this one. Can you read this one?
Nolia had so much fun in Australia.
Very good.
Australia.
Very good. Nolia had so much fun in Australia. Okay, another two boxes for you. Ui, laju malam ni. Next one.
Lydia,
Ada
Lydia,
very good.
Lydia's, Lydia's home was was
Was
was near a pier.
very
A
good.
pier.
Betul. Lydia's home was near a pier. Two boxes for you for this one. Can you read this one?
Every morning, Nolia, Nolia,
Nolia.
Nolia, Nolia would sit by the pier.
Very good. Every morning, Nolia would sit on the pier. Another two boxes for you. Can you read this one?
She
She
club,
she could.
she could hear seagulls,
Mm-hmm. Betul, seagulls?
seagulls, she, she,
Scree.
scream,
Screaming.
scream, screaming in the clear skill,
Clear
uh, in the clear skill,
skies.
skies.
Langit, skies. She could hear seagulls screaming in the clear skies. Okay, another one box for you for this one. Can you read this one?
Nolia love, Nolia love
The clear,
the clear,
the
the
clear.
clear
Mm-hmm.
sky, the
Mm-hmm.
clear sky of Australia.
Very good.
Australia.
Nolia loved the clear skies of Australia. Okay, another one box for you. Can you read this one?
She, eh,
Betul.
she, uh, also, she also,
Also
she also loved the blue-green set.
sea.
Sea.
Very
Apa
good.
sea?
She also left the blue-green sea. Okay, you've crossed the finish line. Very good. Good